How to make money on Zora app. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. You need to start by heading over to your application Zora. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now, in order for you to earn the money, first of all, move into your profile at the bottom right corner. Once you have been landed on your page, click on the sub icon at the middle of the screen, and then click on Add Funds. Now enter the amount that you want to add. Once you have entered the amount, click on Pay with Card or Add from Wallet. You can choose whichever option that you want to. And once the wallet has been added to your account, you will also have the way to receive the amount on your wallet. Once done, move into this icon and click on Make Your First Post. Hold to activate at the bottom of the screen. Once done, click on Start Posting. Click on Allow. Move into your gallery. Inside Gallery, now you will have to select the content that you'd want to post. You can share any of your product, videos, posts, or any of the real video, which you can select in this platform. Once you've selected the specific photo or the video, you will need to enter the title for the post. Once you've entered the title, you will need to enter the amount as well. In this section, enter the amount. You can set the amount as per your need, and then click on Done at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Post at the bottom. Once it has been posted, now people will be able to view your post. And if possible, or if they like the content, they will make a purchase with the amount that you have set. Once they have made the purchase, you'll be receiving the amount on your account that you have added. You can also share the link of the post and boost in order to get the reach in different social media platforms as well. That way, you'll be able to increase the sales. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.